Not gonna lie, I'm kind of nervous. I'm kind of nervous. Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Chelsea. Today I have a makeup tutorial for you guys. So as you can see, this is what we got going on here. I was really inspired by Chloe and Haley's new album, Ungodly Hour. If you haven't heard it, go listen. Move like a snake, move like a snake, put your hand on your waist, move like a snake. So yeah, I'm just gonna jump right into it. I'm gonna show you guys what I use, the steps that I'm taking, da 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 da. Where's my mirror? I feel like I might have to do a voiceover because when I'm doing my makeup, I'm typically not talking that much, and I'm probably gonna be looking into this mirror right here. So if you see a lack of eye contact, that's what's going on. The first step, I get this LA Colors, no, this is by Clean Color. It's a master stroke. Basically this is like the NYX Jumbo Stick, but in black. I'm using this to start with the Smokey Eye. And no, I'm not using anything to prime my lids. I mean, I should, but I feel like if I'm doing neutral tones, then I really don't have to prime my lids. I don't know, that's just me though. So I'm putting this down in like the shape of my crease. Okay, I try to get as much pigment as possible with that. The palette I'll be using for this look is the 3503 by Morphe. I hope you guys can see that. Okay, I'm gonna start with this black shade at the bottom. Then I'm gonna go into this shade to blend it out, and then this shade as another transition color. But yeah, first we're gonna start by packing this black shade on top of where we already put the black base. Now I'm gonna take a smaller blending brush, and I'm gonna take that second shade that I showed you guys, and I'm gonna blend this area out. So first I'm gonna pack. By packing the pigment, by packing the eyeshadow, you get a lot more pigment. And it's like, I do want this brown shade to show up, so. And now I'm gonna blend. And I'm gonna take this last transition shade and put this around the edges so I can blend it out in a circular shape. And if you're still having trouble trying to like diffuse the outside of it so it looks like a nice seamless blend, you can just take a clean blending brush and blend the edges right there. Okay, so that's how you do like just the basic shape, but you can kind of play with it some more if you don't like how it looks. Okay, so while I'm here just blending my eyeshadow away, I feel like it would be a good chance to talk to you guys. So while I was filming this video, oh my gosh, I was exhausted. Like, I had to glue this wig down, I had to style it, and then I'm doing my makeup. Like, this took all day, but it's worth it. Also, I just feel like I haven't been posting a lot on YouTube, and mainly it's because I'm not really happy with my setup. Like, I've been playing with some new things and, you know, seeing what I like and what I don't like, but I haven't really found a setup that I'm entirely happy with. I'm still working on it though. I've been posting a lot on Instagram too, so that's probably why I haven't been on YouTube that much. But if you like makeup and seeing me recreate these makeup looks, follow me on Instagram at chelseycherry with 3 S's as always. But yeah. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the under eye part to match this side. I'm gonna start with the black eyeshadow and I'm gonna pat underneath the eye to bring out the pigment. If you wear eyeshadow or eyeliner under your eye and you don't make this face, why are you lying? Because we all do. I think this brush is actually too big. Now I'm going to use a pencil brush with the second shade I showed you guys to blend that out. And as I go, I'm trying to connect the top with the bottom. I love a dark smoky eye. Like, I haven't done this in so long. So the last step for the eyeshadow is I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild glitter single, and the color is Spiked. It's this really beautiful silver. Take a little bit of this on a brush. I feel like your finger it would apply easier, but I'm just gonna put this all over the black part. So all over my lid, basically. That was the easy part. Now we're gonna move into the hard part. So when you're doing designs like this with eyeliner, I find that it's easier to use a paintbrush. And then for liner today, we're gonna be using the Glamvise Cosmetics liner in Skate Date, I think it's called, the white one. So this is a water activated liner. In case if you don't know how that works, you just put a little bit of water inside of the lid of the liner and then swirl it around inside here. The more water you add, the more opaque. The less water you add, the more pigmented. Not gonna lie, I'm kind of nervous.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm. What's the procedure, everyone?
I think the hardest part about liner is trying to match it to the other eye. And you know what? The more you think about it, the more you stress about it. So I'm not gonna think about that today. Other tips for liner. You should always start off with really small strokes instead of just trying to go in all at once. It's easier to do smaller strokes and then connect them so you would make less mistakes. But yeah, that's all I got. Let's just get into it.
Yeah, get into it.
So this part of the video, I'm just showing you guys how I do my liner. I'm obsessed with graphic liner recently. Like, all the looks that I'm planning to do in like the next week or two, all graphic liner, because it's just so cute to me. And I just got a black light, so it's about to look dope. Also, who are your favorite YouTubers? Because, you know, I'm trying to see what kind of content I like to make, and by watching other people I can kind of see like, oh, this would be fun to do, that would be fun to do. So please drop your favorite YouTubers because I want to know. I forgot to film an after this video as I always do, so I just want to say if you liked this Chloe and Haley inspo look, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At the end it shows you a clip of the finished look, and deuces, y'all. I think I'm actually gonna go in with eyeshadow and try to clean this other side up a little bit.
Cock that motherfucker back, Kiwi.